Hi guys, let's check out some divisibility rules. So how can we know that number is divisible by some number like 2, 3, 4 and 5 up to 10? So for 2, so number 2, so if we have an even number after any digit, so how can we know that 48 is divisible by 2? So we check this number, the number at the ones place, so it is 8. 8 is divisible by 2, you know. So this 48 number is divisible by 2. So if we take example like 39, so this is an odd number, so this can't be divisible by 2. So this is an odd number, so we can divide by this number by 2. So for 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, so take an example. I take example of 439. So we add these number 4 plus 3 plus 9. So this is 7 plus 9, 16. So 16 is not divisible by 3 because so this number is can't be divisible by 3. So take another example, 39. So 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So this number can be divided by 3. So the answer for this number is 13. So next number is 4. So for 4, we have to check the last two digits of the number that is divisible by 4 or not. So last two digits. So take an example. I took 144. So we see these number. We have to check these two number. So this is 44. So 44 is divisible by 4. So this number can be divisible by 4. So the answer for this number is 4. So answer is 36. So next number is 5. For 5, we have to check the ones digit is 4 or 5. So the ones digit is 0 or 5. Sorry. So for example, I take 155. So for this, I am watching this number 5. So this number is divisible by 5. So it's 31. So if I take 100, so I just said if the number is 0 in the end, so it is also divided by 5. So this one is 20. So the next number is 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it will be automatically divisible by 6. Like for example, I take 36. So we have to check 2 and 3 for 36 first. After that we check for 6. So if the number is divisible by 2, let's check for 2. So for 2, it's an even number, so it's divisible by 2. And for 3, we have to add these number. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3, which means it's also divisible by 6. So answer is 6. Let's take example 1104. So for this number, we have to check last 3 digits. So we divide 104 with 8. 8 times 1, 24, 8, 3. So this number, these last three digits are divisible by 8. So this number, the whole number is divisible by 8. The answer to this number is 168. Now the next number is 9. So for 9 we have to add all the digits and we have to check it's divisible by 9 or not. So adding all the digits. So take an example, 149. So adding all these number, 1 plus 4 plus 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So 14 is not divisible by 9, so this number can't be divisible by 9. So take another example. I take 339. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 is not divisible by 9, so we can't take this number. So this time I'm taking 720. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So which means this number can be divisible by 9. So number is 80. So for 10, there is only one rule. You have to check the ones digit is 0 or not. Take an example, 20. This is 0 here. So this is divisible by 10. Take any number for like 49. So there is number other than 0. It can be any number here. Other than 0, if you see here, so it can be divisible by 10. So no, not by 10. So at the end I took an example for all these numbers which I have just told you. So I took 100. So I have to check all these numbers that they are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 or 10. So this is even number here. So 100 is divisible by 2. So for 3, if the sum of all these numbers are divisible by 3, then it can be divisible by 100. So here the sum is only 1, which is not divisible by 3. So no for 3, 2 for yes, 3 no. So for 4 we have to check the last digit number. So these are 0, which is divisible by 4. So for 4 yes. For 5 I told you we have to check this ones digit here. So this is 0, or for 5 it can be 5 or 0. So here is 0, so this is divisible by 5. Oh yes. For 6 we have to check that is divisible by 2 and 3. So here 2 is okay but 3 is not. So for here 100 can be divisible by 6. For 8 we have to check last 3 digits that are divisible by 100. The last 3 digits which are divisible by 8, sorry. So here these last 3 digits are not divisible by 8. For 9 we have to check the sum of all these numbers. So here is 1, so for 9 is no. What about 10? So 10 we have to check the last digit number is 0, so here is okay.